Okay, this is the unboxing video of the Wrenn Shunter I bought recently. Just removed it from this section here. There is absolutely no packing material, and I haven't gotten into this yet, but I am very concerned that this is damaged. So I'm just taking a video to show this. I can feel from the paper the model is just behind here. So the packing is no packing. It's cardboard with brown tape wrapped around 55-year-old model train that took 6 days in the post. And I think it came by every. So anyway, we'll continue. Okay, this is the unveiling. Big whiff of oil, and apart from slight damage to the coupling hooks, the steps look intact and the buffer beams are intact. So yeah, it comes down to a test run next. But this, I guess, this is testament to these models. It's like slackening on the ladder there, but not too bothered about that. If this thing runs well, then it's not a problem. But I continually see examples of, when you buy a product on eBay and you get it for a good price, it gets packed like this. Covered in kitchen paper, then a little tiny bit of brown tape, seal it up, and then wrap it in a bit of cardboard and hope for the best. I just think this is ridiculous. It's like, have these people that send these things, have they never received an item in the post before? Do they not realize that, you have to pack things appropriately? This is just unacceptable. Anyway, let's test run it and see how it is. So, we've done the, I can't call it an unboxing. I think I would rather call it an unwrapping or a reveal. So this is the Wrenn locomotive. I will possibly put the part number of the locomotive on the screen. I haven't oiled it or done any cleaning. The wheels look clean enough for a quick run. Now this is going to be a project build. I'm going to be turning it into an NCB shunter. I already have one, actually, in true Blue Peter style. Here is the NCB shunter here, and further back, I don't know if you can quite see, it's the center of the camera right now. There's the body shell for is back there. But I've been doing some maintenance on this thing to get it up and running, which is a separate video. But I do have, I did get one of the very last red body shells from the people that bought the Wrenn assets. I bought that about 6 months ago, maybe even further back, maybe 8 months ago, because I wanted to build my own NCB. In fact, it was about 8 months ago. I wanted to build my own NCB because my brother and I had one when we were kids, and then my brother discovered it in his attic and very generously let me buy it from him, along with a few other locomotives. So but anyway, on to today's model. So didn't cost that much from eBay. I bought it from a hobbyist who likes to repair trains and then do them up and sell them, like, make a little bit of money. So I assessed the quality of this from the pictures, and I took a punt on it because I wanted to do this build. So anyway, let's put some power on this and see if she works. So I'm absolutely delighted to see that she does. She runs quite well. Other than that, you can tell by the sound of the motor and stuff that there's no great problems here. The motor sounds fine. The wheels seem relatively balanced well. It's just a quick clean. So this is ideal. I'm really happy because this is now the first stage of getting that project underway. Okay, one extra thing I wanted to add to this part 1 video is that now I know I'm going to have a spare class 08 body shell, which as we can see in the picture here is this enamel painted blue class 08. But as you can see in the corner here, the original color of the model was a sort of deep wine. Now if I lift this model off and put it on its side carefully, again we can see this wine color. Now I find this extremely interesting because the only sort of wine or reddish color body shell that Wrenn produced was in fact an NCB 08, and for comparison's sake, the one that I own, I'll put the body shell here. So in terms of color matching, I don't think there's a huge difference. I think this is an NCB 08, which is a quite high value item now, and it's what my project build is. And would you believe this is an 08 that's been converted to some kind of British Rail blue. So isn't that intriguing? I'll put this one side by side. So yeah, that's my project build. That's not the body actually, that's the body of the one I own, but the project build one is just the basic body. It's got the NCB and the 72 number on it, but I'm going to need to paint the roof and put the ladders on and put the handrails on it to get it to look like this. But I think, and again, for me, that you know, I absolutely love Wrenn models. It's my focus of interest in model trains. To buy a donor model for the job, to find out it actually is an NCB is incredible. But I'm going to try paint stripping this in a few weeks to come. It's going to be a bit difficult because you know, paint strippers can be very aggressive, and I wouldn't want to destroy the molding in any way. But yeah, I really think that's what we've got. We've got an NCB. shunter here that's been repainted blue. With this, there will be further videos as we do the rebuild going forward. We'll just call this one part 1 of the NCB build, and thanks for watching.